I found this gem on eBay. It's the Philco Safari, the world's first battery-powered television. It runs on this rechargeable battery or AC. Right now I've got it running on AC, and I replaced a couple of filter caps in the set, and someone had replaced the power switch with a little slide switch. So let's take a look. Turn this light off because of the glare, and let's see what we've got.
Good evening. I'm Nelson Case, your host for Philco. You're about to see something spectacular. I don't think anyone watching can deny that this is one of the great advances in the history of television. It's the Philco Safari, the world's first battery-powered television set. That's right, transistor television that plays anywhere without plugging in. Just like a portable radio, it works outdoors from the powerful rechargeable battery or indoors from regular AC house current. And what a picture. It's like looking at a theater screen. Wherever there's a television signal, the Philco Safari brings it in sharp and clear, even in the strongest sunlight. Imagine watching your favorite programs on a plane or train trip. It's as handy as a camera, and it weighs only 15 1/2 pounds. It's practical, too. This exclusive, long-life Philco battery gives you hundreds of hours' pleasure, yet costs just $5.25. And the Safari is so handsome, rugged, durable, top-grain cowhide in a choice of tan or black. Be sure to see the world's first and only transistor TV, the Philco Safari. Just $250 list price plus battery at your Philco dealers now. Another example of quality first by Philco.